Well, this one's pretty easy, guys. Ford Performance's front door sill plates are an excellent modification for your 15 to 18 SuperCrew F150. They're a really easy and relatively affordable way to make a nice appearance upgrade inside the truck. They literally take about 30 seconds to maybe a minute to install. They are a direct replacement. There's no custom modification required. The factory plates do just clip in, and it's the same case with the Ford Performance one. As you can see underneath, same exact setup. They're actually made out of the same rubberized kind of plastic material, so it's safe to say this thing will definitely stand up to you climbing in and out of the cab. One thing I really like about this, it's an obvious upgrade because of this little aluminum insert right here. This is not steel, this is brushed aluminum, so you're not gonna have to worry about this thing rusting or corroding or looking kind of nasty on you. And if you ever do want to take the plate out and clean it, you can do so. Again, the plate's just clipped inside of the actual door sill plate itself, so it's pretty straightforward. So I'll go ahead and show you guys how to get this installed. Again, 1 out of 3 wrenches on my difficulty meter. I can't even really call it an install, but I will give it a rating here. It's a pretty good first mod in my personal opinion, so let's go ahead and show you guys how this works. So to get these new plates in, you don't actually need any tools. All you gotta do is pry on the factory plate, pull it up gently. It is held in place with plastic retainers. So as you can see, it literally takes you about a minute to get these installed. You'll do the same thing for the other side, obviously. And that also wraps up my review of Ford Performance's front door sill plates fitting your 15 to 18 SuperCrew F150. I'm Travis, thanks for watching. For all things F150, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.